Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content. So today is Get Ready With Me vlog. So what is that called? Predictive vlog. And of course, today is happy first day of April, so I'm gonna talk about that too. So if you guys noticed my hair, I got a haircut. What was it? Yesterday? If I'm not mistaken. Or the day before, because it's summer, I want to get my hair cut short. And so yeah, sadly I'm not going to Arizona because sorry, I'm trying to get this, because you know it's a lot of driving and stuff. Something I might go with my family, maybe in the summer. But don't worry, I made some more travel vlogs when I do my modeling with one of my friends. So, yeah. So we're trying to get this lot out of my hair. So yeah, my mom, she's started packing downstairs. The stuff, some of the stuff that we don't need before we move next year, so we're excited about that. So yeah, I'm still finding some stuff that I want in my new room. I'm doing some like cute rose gold decorations, but the painting is not gonna be rose gold, it's gonna be like a light color. So yeah, I like my hair like this. It's like cute for the summer because I don't like my hair long in the summer, so it's just because my hair gets long, I get really bad headaches. So just to pay attention to the top of my hair because I'm trying to fix it. So yeah, I like how my hair is like this. It's like short. My hair was hurting earlier, now it's better now. It could be because the weather's changing. And so yeah, so I'm gonna pause this video and then I will be back. Hi guys, so I am so excited for more videos because I'm just so excited, and happy first day of April. Like I can't believe it, it's like freaking April. Like for real, like I can't believe it. So today it is like I would do a video for a protective video, like get ready with me for today and talk about some more content coming soon. Sadly I'm not going to Arizona because it's just too hard, you know, to pay food and that stuff, so I might go with my family maybe in the summer, like a mini trip, because I went on a cruise last year. So if you guys notice, I got a new haircut. What was it, Monday, Tuesday? So I just love how the hair turns out. And yes, I'm gonna get my nails done for the summer. Maybe after Easter. That I'm really excited for. I haven't done fake nails for ever, and I really want to get them done for the summer for like my modeling and stuff. But when I get them done, when I'm from here, they're like so expensive. I would say probably like $50 for freaking nails. Like $50 for fake nails, or I can do with fake nails, and you can do what is it called, acrylic nails. It's just like a very, very strong nail polish, and I actually love. I don't know, if I get my nails done, I don't know, I want to do a video of that because people like to show themselves on camera for safety reasons. Sorry, my hair is just driving me nuts. I don't like when it goes like behind my ears like this. It bugs me because I have to get used to it with my glasses. So I went to the doctor yesterday for my stomach update because I have reflux, and she said that my stomach's getting better with the meds, so that's good on that. And then another thing, let's see what other update. I think that's all the update I have for you guys. So yeah, I can't believe it's like April because I don't know how many days we have for. I'm not looking on the calendar for Easter. So Easter, it's on those Sundays. We have 5 days. So sadly, my grandma is not coming because she has a funeral to go to. Sadly. And we might do dyed Easter eggs on a Friday, so I'm gonna do a video on that, so stay tuned until they fix this. There we go. And I might do a video on dyed Easter eggs on Friday. Commander is gonna do it. I'm not gonna show her on camera, so. And then I'm gonna do what I got for Easter. Of course, like what I got for Easter, what's in my Easter basket. And then I think that's all I have for this month. But I'll keep you guys updated for my modeling vlogs. Because we're not going to air so long because sorry, it's just too far. Because it's just too much money for her and the kid. She has kids, but because her daughter goes with us, but it's just too much money for that. But I don't mind traveling. I'm a traveler kind of girl. But it's okay. I don't mind doing it where it's just like freaking cloudy. If you guys can tell, it's just like cloudy. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how to zoom in on this camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just like cloudy. So yeah, I'm not doing anything today. I'm like just studying my Bible. I got a new Bible. If you guys didn't see that mini short post, go check that out. And then let's see, what time is it? 3. I haven't eaten lunch, but I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. I've been craving for Italian or Mexican food, so yeah. Well, I'm gonna hand up this blog here, and happy first day of April. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell.